Hello, my name's Connor and today I will be reading Odd Dog Out. For busy dogs, a busy day of busy work and busy play. Swimmer, sailor, soldier, scout, they all blend in, no dogs stand out. But wait, look closer. Can you see one dog behaving differently? Someone on this busy street is dancing a different beat. When they fly high, this dog flies low. When they say kick, this dog throw. It's very sad that this small dog does not fit in. It's true, she sniffs. I've tried my best, but I'm not made like all the rest. And that's why I've made up my mind to leave this town, my home behind. On her own and out of place, she sighs a sigh and packs her case. Through winter, spring, summer, fall. From ocean deep to mountain tall, she walks till she can walk no more. Is this the place she's looking for? Well, bless my bow wow, can it be 100 others just like me? I play guitar, I ride a bike, I fit right in, we're all alike. But wait, look closer. Can you see one dog behaving differently? Somebody this afternoon is whistling a different tune. Here's something she knows all about, a classic case of odd dog out. Poor thing, she says, I feel for you. I once was an outsider too. Oh, not at all. You've got it wrong. I really feel like I belong. I love to stand out from the crowd, and so should you. Stand tall, be proud. Her tummy flips, her belly flops, as finally the penny drops. That dog is right. It's plain to see, there's nothing wrong with me. Her little tail begins to wag. She smiles a smile and grabs her bag. I'm sorry, I have to fly. Good luck, my friend, they wave goodbye. From night and moon to light and sun, her journey home has just begun. For busy dogs, a busy day. But look who's back. Hip, 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 hooray! They cheer, they clap, they whoop, they shout. We've really missed our odd dog out. You've made us all appreciate that being different really, really great. It's true. Look closer. Can you see more dogs behaving differently? Each one a doggy superstar. So blaze a trail, be who you are,